welcome you all for online learning of Sacred Heart High School. Subject Geography Standard 10th. In this video, we are going to study chapter number 2, Location and Extent. Now, in this chapter, there is one activity given. Few hints and the flags of two countries are given below. Using them, identify these two countries. You can easily identify one of them and hope you can easily identify the other two. Those two flags are, one is of India and the other one is of Brazil. As you know, the second largest populated country in the world is India. It contributes 17.7% of the world's total population. It is famous for spices. Cricket is the sport which is popular over here. Now let's talk about Brazil. Brazil ranks 6th in the world in terms of population. It is also known as coffee pot of the world because coffee production is on highest number in this country. Football is very popular sport which is played over here. Famous dance form is Samba dance. Now let's learn the location, extent and boundaries of India. Name of the country, that is Republic of India, and name of the capital is New Delhi. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the southern of the Asian continent. India is 7th largest country in terms of areas and 2nd largest in terms of population. Now see in this slide, look at the picture given. You will find the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. India occupies 3.28 million square kilometer of area, which is 2.4% of the world. It extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. It extends from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer at 23 degree 30 minutes north cuts the country in almost two equal halves. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. Now let's see more amazing facts about Indira Point. Indira Point is the lighthouse formerly known as the Pygmalion Point and later named as the Indira Point. It is situated on island of Great Nicobar Islands in the eastern Indian Ocean. Although Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian subcontinent itself, Indira Point was farthest south on Indian soil. Until the tsunami generated by 2004, Indian Ocean earthquake damaged the vast of its area, submerged into the lighthouse. Now in this picture you can find the difference. Indira Point in 2004 before tsunami and earthquake occurred, and you can see Indira Point after 2004 tsunami and earthquake occurred. Now in this picture of map of India, you will find the directions, that is east, north, west and south, then neighboring countries in the east, north, west and south, then the seas and oceans in the east, north, west and south. Just go through the picture, go through the map which is given on page number 10 of your textbook. Learn all the neighboring countries of India. Next, let's begin with the next country, that is name of the country, Federative Republic of Brazil. Name of the capital, Brasilia. Some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, It lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South American continent. Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world and sixth largest in terms of population. Brazil has 26 states and one federal district. Now let's see the location, extent and boundaries of Brazil. It extends from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude. It extends from 34 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree 48 minutes west longitudes. Equator 0 degree and Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23 degree 30 minutes south, passes through Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America and is over 3 million square miles in size. Now see the neighboring countries of Brazil. Direction northwest, southeast, then neighboring countries in northwest, southeast, and seas and ocean in the east. Historical background of India. India was under the British rule for almost 1.5 century. India got its independence in the year 1947. Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, famine situations in various parts and similar issues after independence. India is a major developing country of the world. India is considered to be a global market too. Because of various economic reforms from time to time, India's economic development has paced up. The proportion of youth in India's population is high. Because of this forms a major part of a working population. India is looked upon as a young country. Historical background of Brazil. For more than 3 centuries, Brazil was under Portuguese rule. Brazil gained its independence in 1822. From 1930 to 1985, for more than a half century, it was under a populist military government. It has overcome global financial difficulties. In the late 20th century, Brazil is seen as a contributor to economic growth of the world and an important market in the future. Do you know we celebrate our Independence Day on August 15, whereas Brazil celebrates her Independence Day on September 7. India has federal parliamentary republic type of government, whereas Brazil has federal presidential republic type of government. The name Brazil comes from pau-brasil, a local wooded tree. I hope you all have understood the chapter after watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you, students.